Hi, I wanted to give you a tour of Math 283 Canvas page because I'm making the video. Since there's never been an online 283, I thought we'd go ahead and walk around. I think most people who are taking 283 have had my other classes, so the format's pretty much the same. Here's our main page. There's a syllabus there. Here's our tour, and course objectives would be here. These are the same as what you'd find online in the catalog. You get a syllabus review here, an introduction video of me there. Down here, homework options, paper versus online. Discussion postings, doing discussion topics. Enhanced web assign, contact information for me. Then just some standard links for WNC. Now over on the left side we have our modules. This is where you're going to find the real meat of everything. Standard Canvas student orientation, everyone gets that module. Then I have our chapter 11, the objectives. I have homework problems here if you're doing book problems. If you're doing a book or online, they're the same problems. So actually the way I did it, I went online first and selected those assignments, and then I typed them out for this. I did try to keep the assignments around 10 problems or less. Sometimes I went to 12 problems. Some are shorter, like at 8 problems, so it kind of balances out. Then we have our pages here for the lessons. So in this section, review the concepts, operations of vectors in a plane. PowerPoint slides of the lessons, so you can go through the PowerPoint slides. These are all videos by the publisher. You got proofs and vectors in a plane, things like that. And then I found videos along the same lines by other people, and I may add to this as time goes on. Okay, and then here's 11.2. Again, the PowerPoint slides, if you want to go through that. Here are videos again by the publisher, and here are videos along the same topics. You'll know that the vectors, they should be somewhat familiar from what you saw in Math, I think 127, and this one's in 3 dimensions, by the way. Let me go back to modules just so you see the overall picture. And we have 11, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's week 1, and here's quiz 1. Then 5, 6, 7. Then we have quiz 2. And then we have objectives for chapter 12. And homework problems from that chapter. Then 12, 1, 2, and 3, then a quiz. 12, 4, 5, then a quiz. Then we're on to 13. And so on. And then come down to midterm. So we'll be dealing with midterm a little later. And then we have 14 and 15. Then we have our final. Some other things to look at. We have the quizzes. You can see the quizzes from the quiz tab. You can also see it from inside the modules. I won't click on grids because everyone's name's in there, and that kind of, I think, violates FERPA. Your discussion postings are here. And I thought I did the introductions, so I'm going to actually move this up to there, and need to do our introduction and then homework questions. And I'm sure there'll be a lot of questions just because this is a tougher topic, Calculus 3. Well, what is cool about it is you get to do derivatives like we did before, but now we have multiple variables like x, y, and z, so derivative with respect to x or y or z or so on. Anyway, that's kind of a rough rundown of the class. I think that's everything. Let me go back to the home page. Yeah, so looking forward to the semester. This is my first time teaching 283 online. I've taught it in the classroom a few times. And we'll go forward. Hope you have a good semester.